Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change Instagram theme to black. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this, and as you can see my theme is white or delight one. You can just go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. So let me tell you guys that we cannot change our theme to black manually on Instagram, but what we can do is go back to home page and swipe our screen, and then you can see brightness section. Long press on it, so here you can see the dark mode is turned off. You can just turn that on, and once it's on you can see that my theme is changed to black. So this is the only working method, guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.